So this question is a diagram question. Let's read the question and see exactly what we're doing here. It says, which table could represent values of x and their corresponding values of f of x for a decreasing exponential function f? All right, so I know, and I hope you know, that a decreasing exponential function looks like this. F of x is equal to a b to the x power, right? That's what makes it exponential. And because it's decreasing, I know that my b has to be a fraction. All right, so all I'm looking for is which one of these answer choices could easily fit into this equation. I'm going to also use one other thing that I know about decreasing exponential function, and that is how a decreasing exponential function looks. So this is my f of x axis. This is my x axis. A decreasing function should look like this, which in essence is saying that when x gets larger, right, as x goes across its axis that way, my f of x value is actually getting smaller, right? So my f of x value is going down as x gets larger. So I'm going to use this as well. So these two things are what I'm going to use here and here to help me find the answer to the question. So choice A is saying that as x gets larger from 1 to 2, f of x also gets larger from 1 to 2. Not what I want. It doesn't. It fails this test right here. Choice B says as x gets larger from 1 to 2, f of x gets smaller from 8 to 4. That's good, so I'm going to leave that there. Choice C, larger, larger, so gone. Choice D, larger, smaller, so stay. All right, so that's taken care of using this feature here. Now let's use this feature here. So this feature here is saying that I want some b value, right, because that's the thing that's being, in fact, I can put parentheses here. The b value is the term that's raised to the exponential, that's raised to the exponent. I want some b value that's going to be a fraction that I can just continue to raise to higher and higher x values. So I need to see what's the trend in my f of x. So for choice B, looks like from 8 to 4, that would be like multiplying by a half. From 4 to 2, I'm also multiplying by a half. And 2 to 1, I'm also multiplying by a half, which means my b value would equal 1/2, right? I'd have f of x equals whatever my a value is, and then 1/2 to the x power. So that fits, that's good. Choice D, from 25 to 17, I'm not multiplying by anything to get there, not consistently at least. Obviously, I could multiply by something to get from 25 to 17, but it wouldn't be the same value that I multiply by to get from 17 to 9 or 9 to 1. Oh, so in fact, what I noticed is this is just subtraction, right? 25 minus 8 is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So because this is subtraction, it doesn't fit our model, right? We want a single fraction term that is utilized from step to step, right? Multiply by half, not addition or subtraction. So that's why choice D is gone, and that's why choice B is the best answer.